Assuming you're searching for the Bitcoin money value expectation or finding the capability of the BCH coin, this value estimate can be useful for you. Our BCH coin cost estimate depends on a profound specialized investigation and the previous presentation of Bitcoin money. Here we will attempt to examine the capability of Bitcoin money in the long haul. Bitcoin money, BCH, is a distributed electronic money framework that is an option in contrast to Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin Money Network is renowned for its quicker speed and financially savvy installment arrangement. BCH means to become worldwide cash with a quick installment administration with miniature expenses, protection, and high exchange limit, large blocks. Bitcoin money is remarkable in certain terms. Bitcoin money can't be seized or frozen on the grounds that monetary outsiders have zero power over the Bitcoin money organization. BCH is the local token on the Bitcoin money blockchain environment. The genuine use instances of the Bitcoin money project make BCH coin a promising task in the long haul. As we found through CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin money has a restricted symbolic stockpile of 21 million BCH tokens. With restricted symbolic stockpile and the reaction from the financial backers, Bitcoin money looks solid. Since its day for kickoff, Bitcoin money has shown broad development in the crypto market. Bitcoin money has given an extraordinary revisitation of its underlying financial backers in 2017. Bitcoin money costs mobilized to an unsurpassed high, of $4,355.62 in December 2017. From that point forward, Bitcoin money has been showing a negative presentation. Bitcoin money has lost practically 90% of its worth since it contacted its AF. According to our examination, the costs of Bitcoin money will keep on filling in the following 5 years. Notwithstanding, it doesn't look that Bitcoin money will its worth very soon. As all cryptos are showing negative development, Bitcoin money's exhibition is likewise looking sluggish. There are solid prospects that the following bull run might assist BCH with recuperating some worth. Bitcoin money, BCH value forecast 2023. As all cryptos are down in 2023, Bitcoin money's exhibition is additionally showing slow development. According to our Bitcoin money cost expectation, Bitcoin money can arrive at a most extreme value level of $244.31 by 2023. Notwithstanding, the typical cost of Bitcoin money can be around $189.13. Furthermore, on the off chance that there is any negative pattern, the base cost of a Bitcoin money token can be down up to $128.35. In the following bull rally, the costs of Bitcoin money might flood more than our drawn-out Bitcoin money cost expectation. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2024. There are solid prospects that Bitcoin money can get again its situation at the month end of 2024. There is major areas of strength for that the cost of Bitcoin money can hit a normal value level of $296.78 mark by 2024. The year can end with a most extreme cost of $315.19 on the off chance that there is any bullish occasion. Assuming there is any negative disagreement, the base value level of Bitcoin money can be around $258.49. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2025. According to our Bitcoin money cost expectation, the Bitcoin money costs can hit another AF level this year. By 2025, we might expect a typical cost of $372.57 relying available pattern. Our most extreme cost expectation for Bitcoin money is $405.96 in 2025, while the base value level can be around $326.19. On the off chance that the market gets bullish, the worth of Bitcoin money flood more than our cost figure in 2025. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2030. There are signs that the crypto market is going to enter another age in 2030. Genuine venture-based advanced resources can surpass the market. The year 2030 can end with a typical cost of $791.58, while the base value worth of Bitcoin money can be around $746.72. Alongside Bitcoin money, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around $807.36. In the event that there is any bull rally in 2030, the costs of Bitcoin money might soar and outperform our cost gauge. Bitcoin money, BCH value forecast 2040. Bitcoin money has extraordinary potential in the event that you will hold it as long as possible. According to our drawn-out Bitcoin money cost estimate, the Bitcoin money costs can hit another AF level this year. In 2040, we might expect a typical cost of $1,142.62, relying upon the market pattern. Our most extreme cost expectation for Bitcoin money is $1.8 to $1.34 in 2040. In the event that the market gets bullish, Bitcoin money might flood more than our Bitcoin money cost figure in 2040. While the base value level of Bitcoin money can be around $1,861.19, assuming the market gets negative. Bitcoin money, BCH, value forecast 2050. According to our Bitcoin money cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a typical cost of $2,912.28, while the base value worth of Bitcoin money can be around $2,735.15. After such a long excursion, alongside Bitcoin money, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. In 2050, the most extreme cost of Bitcoin money is supposed to exchange at around $3,345.56. In the event that more financial backers are drawn to Bitcoin in the middle of between these years, the costs of Bitcoin money can be a lot higher in 2050 than our cost estimate. Is Bitcoin money a wise venture? According to a New Year's presentation examination, we observed that Bitcoin money is showing slow development. Notwithstanding, Bitcoin money is one of the quickest developing blockchain projects that have a utilization case. What's more, cryptos with genuine use cases can major areas of strength for B nature. According to our cost examination, long-haul interest in Bitcoin money has all the earmarks of being a decent choice to consider. Despite the fact that the Bitcoin money costs appear to be bullish, Bitcoin money and other cryptos are unstable and can alter their cost course whenever. In the event that you are a brilliant financial backer and like to make unsafe ventures, Bitcoin money can be an extraordinary decision. Cryptos are today the most helpful resources as well as the least secure too. In this way, prior to settling on any speculation choice, do your appropriate gamble the board. Will Bitcoin money reach $10,000? As Bitcoin money is developing, numerous crypto brokers are interested to know regardless of whether Bitcoin money can raise a ruckus around town cap. Assuming that ongoing development proceeds, the BCH coin can barely reach $10,000 focus in the following 10 or 20 years. According to our drawn-out Bitcoin money forecast, it can hit a $10,000 cap somewhere in the range of 2040 and 2045. Bitcoin money is an incredible computerized resource with a genuine use case. What's more, in the crypto market, the sky is the limit. As we have found in the beyond, an extraordinary bull run or bear rally can whip all the cost expectations in a moment or two. On the off chance that more financial backers are drawn to the Bitcoin money project, the cost of Bitcoin money can skyrocket, and it might hit its $10,000 focus before our BCH cost forecast. A few new postings on premium trades may likewise build the worth of Bitcoin money. Is Bitcoin